Are you looking for a healthy and delicious breakfast option? Look no further than oatmeal. Oatmeal is packed with nutrients and offers a wide range of benefits for your body and mind. First, oatmeal is a great source of fiber, which helps with digestion and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. It also provides a slow release of energy, making it perfect for starting your day and sustaining you throughout. Oatmeal can contribute to a healthy heart by reducing cholesterol levels and supporting cardiovascular health. Additionally, the antioxidants in oatmeal can help improve your skin's health and give you that natural glow. Some text goes here, and did you know? Oatmeal can even enhance your workout performance by providing essential carbohydrates. Whether you prefer it sweet or savory, oatmeal is incredibly versatile. You can customize it with fruits, nuts, or spices to suit your taste. So why wait? Start your day off right with a delicious bowl of oatmeal and enjoy all the incredible benefits it has to offer.